This is ESR Pulse magnetic lock case for the AirPods Pro 2nd Gen. Got it today. Let's see, it'll be a quick unboxing. Alright. It's got the Become Super User ESR branding. Develop your MagSafe. Okay, here is that case. This is a titanium variant. It's surprisingly lighter, and it's got one sticker here which should be removed before sticking it to the top lid. Once it's properly fit, you can push this to open that like a flap. So let me do that quickly. There is the old one. I have a vegan one. It's a bit of yellow now, so I decided to change it. Alright, here we go. So you just slide the bottom portion like this, nice and easy. And for the top portion, just remove the sticker like this, and gonna have to probably put it this way. Yeah, nice and easy. So it's a nice fit. You have this reset button here, which is a nice touch, and you may get this LED here when you try to charge it, and it also works with the magnetic charging. You can see the light coming on, so it's properly working with that. This flap here, which is the unique selling point. Push this flap and it should open like this, which is a great touch. And yeah, I really like this one. Thank you.